In New Jersey, consumption areas can only be operated by licensed Class 5 retailers or permitted medicinal cannabis dispensaries. To open a cannabis consumption area, a dispensary must be approved by the state and the municipality where it is located. You can apply for the endorsement via the New Jersey Cannabis Regulatory Commission's licensing portal. Please note, applications without a Class 5 retailer license or a medicinal permit to dispense will not be accepted. Before we get started, you will need to gather the following required supporting documents: a notarized attestation form affirming the accuracy of your application, a completed municipal approval form available from the CRC website, detailed floor plans indicating whether your consumption area will be indoors or outdoors, ventilation plans, standard operating procedures covering age verification, destruction of partly used cannabis items that cannot be resealed, transfer of cannabis items from retail to consumption, safe consumption of cannabis items, ensuring only regulated cannabis items enter into the consumption area, facilitating the work of emergency response personnel if ever necessary. Please have any additional documentation you may need to support your application. You will also need a credit card or ACH electronic payment information. Now we can log into the portal and start the online application. Log in to your NJ-CRC account with your username and password. At the top of the menu on the left, select Create New Application. Select the New Consumption Area application and select Create Application. From the drop-down menu, select your license that corresponds with your intended consumption area and select Save. The next page will show the license number to confirm your selection. Select Save and Next to move to the next section or tab on the dashboard. Under the General Information tab, review the contact information on the page, make any needed changes, and select Save and Next. Under the Consumption Area Location Information tab, complete the Consumption Area Physical Street Address and Consumption Area Mailing Address. If the mailing address is the same as the physical one, you can select Copy from Consumption Area Physical Street Address. You must select Verify to confirm the accuracy of each address. Select Save and Next. Under the Primary Contact Person tab, enter the required information. You must select Verify Address to confirm the accuracy of the listed address. Select Save and Next. Under the Consumption Area Contact Information tab, provide the information for the individual responsible for compliance for the physical space and daily operations for the consumption area. You must select Verify to confirm the accuracy of the address you provided. Select Save and Next. Under the Questions/Attestations tab, carefully read and respond to each question or confirmation. You must provide your legal name in the signature area and confirm the date of the application. Select Save and Next. Under the Documents tab, carefully upload the required documentation, the municipal form, floor plans, business plans, and standard operating procedures. Select Save and Next. Under the Payment tab, indicate if you will be using a credit card or ACH electronic payment. When you submit your application at the end of this process, you will be transferred to the payment portal to provide the payment information. Select Save and Next. Under the Review tab, closely review the information provided. If any required information is missing, it is marked with a red X. You will need to return to that section or tab of the application dashboard and complete the required information. If all of the required information is correct and marked with a green check mark, you are ready to submit your application. Select Pay and Submit, and you will be transferred to a separate secure portal for payment. For more information about applying for consumption area endorsements, visit our website at www.nj.gov/cannabis or email us at crc.licensing@crc.nj.gov.